Namaste students, myself JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed ZBC 5th semester. Paper name is Binomial Nomenclature Taxonomy. Today's topic is Solanaceae. Students, as you all know that since last 6-7 lectures we are dealing with family description. Okay, we study vegetative structure, floral structure and economic importance of family. So in continuation of that lecture, today we are going to study Solanaceae. Students, first of all, classification of Solanaceae family. You all know that this belongs to kingdom Plantae, class Magnoliopsida, subclass Asteraidae, order Solanales, and family is Solanaceae. Students, this is the image of a plant which belongs to this family, that is Hyoscyamus niger. This is the plant of this family. Now something about this family, that is general brief. This family has about 95 genera and over 2800 species. Now regarding to distribution, this family is been found in temperate as well as tropical, even in Asian countries. This family is represented by 12 genera and 70 species. Okay, greatest diversity found in Central and South America. Now regarding to habitat, nature of the plants of this family, they are found in all these four natures, that is herbs, shrubs, trees and lianas. Now roots, the roots of the plants is taproot, which is fibrous or tuberous, and stem is aerial, erect, spinous, herbaceous, woody, cylindrical, branched and tubers, as you can see in the diagrams. Now about leaves. Leaves of the plants are pinnately veined, alternate, simple, exstipulate, often hairy, unicostate and reticulate, as you can see in the diagram. Now about inflorescence. This family has variety of inflorescence: axillary cyme, scorpioid cyme, helicoid cyme and umbellate cymes. And all these diagrams are also present over here. You can make your better understanding regarding to inflorescences of the family. Now about flower. Flower is bracteate, ebracteate, pedicellate, diclimides, pentamerous, complete and actinomorphic. And calyx, sepals 5 in green, gamopetalous, sepalous, tubular, valvate estivation and imbricate estivation. And regarding to estivation, you can see the illustration of estivation. Now corolla, there are 5 petals which are gamopetalous, funnel shaped, rotate, tubular, usually implicate. Okay, you can see the flower. Now androecium, there are 5 stamens which are epipetalous, alternate with the petals not equal in the length of the filaments, which are inserted in the middle or basal region of the corona tube. Okay, that is corolla tube. Now anthers are diathecous, bilobed, basifix, dorsifix, dehiscing longitudinally. As you can see in the diagram, there is a basifixed and dorsifixed adhesion of the anther with the filaments. Now gynosium contain bicarpellary, ovary superior, syncarpus, ovary biloculars. We can see in the TS of the ovary there are two locules that is covered by ovary wall, ovules, placenta is there and locules are there. Now about style is simple, undivided, stigma capitate. We can see the structure in the diagram. Now floral formula, as you have seen that actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5 in number, corolla 5 that is joint, endoecium 5 that is free, that is not in bracket, then gynosium 2 bicarpellary we have already discussed, that is syncarpus that is in bracket, and superior that's underline below 2. Okay, and this is the diagram, floral diagram of the flower. Now something about economic importance of this family. This is one of the most important family, commonly known as vegetable family, because most of the vegetables belongs to that, which are important for human beings. So in that, tubers of Solanum tuberosum, you all know this is the potato used as a common vegetable throughout the world. We all know about that, and no one has a day passed without this. Okay, second is tender fruits of Solanum melongena, that is brinjal, and ripened fruit of Lycopersicum esculentum, that is tomato. Students, again I am emphasizing that these three are the most important vegetables which we consume daily. Okay, that's why this family is very economically important for human being. Next is some medicinal plants. From the medicine point of view, this family is also rich. Some of the medicinal plants and their use is roots of Atropa belladonna yield powerful alkaloid, that is atropine. It is used for the relieving muscular pain. Leaves and flowers of Dhatura stramonium is also a source of drug stromaine, used to treat asthma and whooping cough. Leaves, flowers, okay. Berries of Solanum trilobatum used to treat cough. Roots and leaves of Vidania somnifera, this is one of the most important medicinal plant, used to treat nervous disorder and diuretic apart from useful tonics. Okay, now tobacco, we know it familiar, we are very familiar with that. Leaves of Nicotiana tabacum, that is tobacco, contain alkaloid nicotine, nicotine and N-abacine. Okay, another nicotine is considered to be the principal alkaloid in commercial tobacco such as cigarette, bidi, you all know about that. It is also used as a sedative, antispasmodic and insecticides. Some of the ornamental plants are also found in this family. Cisternum diurnum, that is jasmine, you all know. Cisternum nocturnum, petunia is there. These are the very important and used as a ornamental plants. These are some of the common name of the plants belonging to this family. Along with that, their botanical name. Students, I will recommend you that don't ignore, at least you must remember 10 botanical name of each families, and this family is still very important, so you can remember more than 10 plants of this family, along with that their botanical name and common name, along with uses also. So Solanum nigrum is there, Vidania somnifera, Solanum tuberosum, Cisternum nocturnum, Lycopersicum esculentum, Nicotiana tabacum, capsicum, Dhatura, Solanum melongena. These are the very familiar, you may find them in your mother's kitchen, so don't ignore them. Please remember these plants names. Okay, so for today this is enough. Tomorrow we will study another family. Thank you very much.